Hello students, I hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is adjectives. What is an adjective? We already learnt about adjective, that is the word that describes a noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. Let me give you example to make it clear. See the first example, Vijay is a boy. In this example, we are able to understand that whether Vijay is boy or not. But we are not able to get more details about what kind of boy Vijay is. See the second one, Vijay is a good boy. Here, good is describing about the quality of Vijay. So, good is the adjective used in the sentence. Now let's look into different types of adjectives. Adjectives are divided into 6 types. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of numbers, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Let's see all the types one by one. The first type is adjective of quality. We already know that adjective means describing a noun or pronoun. When coming to adjective of quality, it says that the word that describes the quality of noun or pronoun is adjective of quality. Note the word quality. It should describe the quality of noun or pronoun. Let me give you an example to make it clear. I have a nice teddy. Here, what is the quality of teddy? Yes, it is nice. So this type of adjective generally answer the question of what kind of in any sentences. Let's see some example. Some may say that it is a brown teddy. Some may say that it is awesome teddy. Some may say that it is cute teddy. So here brown, awesome, cute are the qualities of teddy. This adjective of quality is also called as descriptive adjective. I hope you understood what is adjective of quality. Now let's look into the next type, that is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity are the words that describes the quantity of noun or pronoun. Earlier we studied for adjective of quality. The same thing like quality we are going to see for quantity. So the words that describes the quantity of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quantity. So mark the word quantity. See the example, I have enough money. So here enough is the adjective, that is adjective of quantity. So questions generally asked for this type of adjective is how much. For quality, the question is what kind of, and here the question is how much in any sentences. Let's see some more example. I have some money. I have more money. I have little money. So here some, more, little are adjective of quantity. So remember, they define the quantity of noun, not the exact amount. I hope you understood what is adjective of quantity. Now let's look into the next type, adjective of numbers. Adjective of numbers are the words that describe the exact number of noun. See the example, Shivani has 4 apples. Here 4 is the exact number of apple that Shivani has. So 4 is the adjective of numbers. It generally gives the answer for the question how many in any sentence. Remember, the question for quality is what kind of, the question for quantity is how much, and the question for number is how many. If there is only one apple, you should not say that Shivani has one apple. You should say Shivani has an apple. Okay, now let's see some more example. Shivani has 10 apples. So here 10 is the number. Next, Shivani has 8 apples and she has 20 apples. So any such exact number that describes is adjective of numbers. Let's look into the fourth type, demonstrative adjective. Words that point out a person, thing or an animal is called demonstrative adjective. That is pointing out something. For example, this book is mine. So I am pointing out the book and saying that this is my book. Some more example. That book is mine. This book is mine. Those book is mine. So here this, that, these, those, everything will comes under demonstrative adjective. I think you understood what is demonstrative adjective. So let's look into the next one, that is interrogative adjective. These are WH words are used with nouns to ask questions. Now, what are WH words? It includes who, whose, whom, which and what. This adjective is very simple. See the example. Which book is yours? Here, which is used before book and asking question. So, it is an interrogative adjective. For interrogative adjective, you should give question mark at the end of the sentence because we used WH words in the beginning of the sentence. I hope you understood what is interrogative adjective. So next, let's move on to the possessive adjective. This is the sixth and final type of adjective. The word that used to show ownership, that is the adjective that used to show ownership, that is called possessive adjective. So note the word ownership. You might have get a confusion in this type of adjective, so listen carefully. See the example. Joe left his bat at home. So his is the possessive adjective because it is Joe's bat. That is, it's describing about noun. So it is a possessive adjective. Some of the possessive adjectives are example my, our, her and their. You may ask that his, her, my, their are pronoun. Yes, you are right. It is said as possessive pronoun. But you should see where they are used in the context. So for your reference, I have given example for pronoun also. See the example. The bat next to the window is his. Here, his is not describing noun. It is used instead of noun. So, it is a pronoun. So, you know that describing a noun is adjective. Using instead of noun is pronoun. So, keep remembering that. Always, if you have a confusion, you can remember these points. If the word used instead of noun is pronoun, if the word used instead of pronoun is adjective. Okay, now we have discussed all the 6 types of adjective. So now let's have a quick recap that what we have learnt in this video. So these are types of adjectives and here is the examples. See the first one, adjective of quality. Baby has soft skin. Here soft is the quality. Next, adjective of quantity. I have enough knowledge. So here enough is the quantity. Adjective of number. Sanjay came first in the class. So first is the exact number used in the sentence. So it is adjective of number. Next one is demonstrative adjective. That pen is mine. So here that is the demonstrative adjective. Next, interrogative adjective. Whose bicycle is this? Here WH question is used and at last question mark is also marked. So this is interrogative adjective. And finally, possessive adjective. My mother is here. So it is ownership. Saying ownership, that is my. So this is possessive adjective. Okay, now we have discussed all the 6 types of adjectives. I hope everyone are clear with all the types of adjectives. You can watch the video again for better understanding. See you in the next video. Thank you.